welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a new day, and a new day means a new video. So y'all, in today's video, you guys already know by the title, I am going to be opening the Colourpop Cosmetics strawberry PR package, and I am super excited to see all the good goodies because like Colourpop always come through. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are returning, welcome, and I hope you stay tuned and grow with me. So let's stop talking and just let's get into the video. Yeah, the packaging is so cute. Like, it's a whole different story when you see it online than when you see it like face to face. So gorgeous, like, oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go through everything and then we're gonna create some looks. Like, why not? Get started. So this is the pressed powder brush. Super stunning. I don't really wear blush because I don't know, I just don't think it looks good on me, but this is it right here. So cute. What shade is this? Okay, this is the like pinky one. It's so gorgeous. I love how it's not like too much and it's not like doing too much, because I don't like a lot of blush, and this one is perfect. This is the other one, and this is I think this is the more red shade one. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do so many cleaning ups after that, but totally worth it. This is the other one, y'all. They both pink. Am I missing something? Oh, so that one is lighter and then that one is more dark. I think this one is more for me because I'm not a blush person. Next up is the blush stick duo. Oh, this is the blush, but this is the stick one. Oh my gosh. And like the packaging, come on. Are you kidding me? This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at this one. This is the Jelly Much Shadow. I have not used any of the jelly products yet, so I'm super excited for this one. The packaging, oh my god. This is jam, strawberry jam. It's really gorgeous. Whoa, okay. Oh my god, I think I'm obsessed now. Like, so beautiful. Let me show you. This is so gorgeous. They are both so freaking beautiful, y'all. Okay, I think these are the lip products, and this one is very necessary. Okay, so this one is Easy Bake. So I'm gonna show you Easy Bake first. This is Easy Bake, and this one is very good. I love this shade. It's pink and gorgeous. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh yes. Oh, this is the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take it out the packaging. Oh my gosh, tell me you're not in love. Okay, this is the so clean. Oh, this is from Fourth Way Beauty. This is the collaboration with Fourth Way Beauty. I ordered the lip gloss and they sent me a little sample to try out. I've not tried it yet, so let's see. This is the oil. This is the face milk. So this is the lippy scrub. This is the lippy scrub. It smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, so the three brushes I'm going to be using are the BH Cosmetic brush, which is 4, 5, and 6. They're so beautiful, and I think they'll go really well with this. So I already primed my lid and did my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna jump right into this because I'm super excited. I'm just gonna take this off so I can look in the mirror and stuff. It's like a really light pinkish shade. You don't really see it, which is fine with me because I was just trying to put a color just to set the concealer on my eyes. But this, you don't really see it, so you just have to like put it all over the lid. It still look cute. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go with, whoa, the Kari. It's like a reddish shade. Okay guys, now I'm going with my milkshake. Yes, I'm trying to use as many shades as I can in this, but I think I'm just gonna cut the crease and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I did this like curvy cut crease. I don't really know where I was going with it, but it came out real good. I just like trying new thing, you know. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with Delish. I love this shade, it's so beautiful. Gosh, only one swatch and it's like I am ready for you. Okay, now I'm gonna go with Very Fine because it's gorgeous, and I'm just gonna put it right next to Delish. Okay y'all, I'm done with the palette. I just want to keep trying the new stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the Jelly Much Shadows, and this one is the Strawberry Jam. It's that beautiful shade that I'm super in love with. Okay y'all, I'm gonna put the pink shade right next to, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous, and it's more pigmented than the other one. God, so be careful. I'm gonna go with Take a Sip. I just love the name. Take a sip, boo. Like, come on, take a sip, cause like you need to chill. This is a new thing now. I'm gonna okay guys, so now I'm gonna go with the I'm gonna shake it up and quadrille together for my waterline. So guys, I went ahead and I added some wing liner. I'm gonna go off camera and do this eyes, and I'll be right back. Okay, both eyes are done, so now we're just gonna have to move on to my face. So first I'm gonna go with the oil. Ooh, cool. I feel so fucking fancy right now. Whoa. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the face milk. Okay, y'all, so I did my makeup off. I did my face makeup off camera, and I contour, and I put some lashes, and these are from Bear. They're like a really small company on Instagram, so a small brand, so check them out. Like, instead of the sticky brush, I don't want to mess up my makeup with this blush. Oh, it doesn't take a lot of products, which is good. Whoa, blinding. Lip scrub. It smells really good. It tastes really good. It tastes like Starburst. I feel like I should go with the lighter pink because I have a lot of bright pink. So I'm gonna go with the lighter pink. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, I look so freaking bomb. And the blush, it just brings so much life to my face, and my face looks so natural. I freaking love it. Oh my gosh, y'all, I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And guys, all the products are so beautiful. Like, I am not even lying, they are so beautiful. It's so easy to use, and I'm obsessed with this collection. It's so gorgeous. And guys, look at my fucking face. Like, the blush I added literally like just bring life to my face. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna start wearing blushes because I love this. I love the way it looks, and just I'm freaking feeling myself. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you enjoyed this video also, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.